Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by checking WhatsApp backup and device readiness so you don't interrupt critical files. Open Settings right arrow Chat Backup. Note whether media is included. Once done, disable automatic media download in storage and data to prevent re-downloading. Make sure you have at least 50% battery and a stable connection. If the app is mid-restore, you will act differently. Otherwise, prepare for a manual restore, where you control media retrieval selectively. You need to halt the ongoing restore by cutting the app's access to network and processing. First, go to System Apps, select WhatsApp and force stop, then disable background data and turn on airplane mode. This stops media threads immediately. Next, reopen WhatsApp. When prompted about restoring media, choose to restore messages only or skip media entirely. Make sure to re-enable connectivity only after you've set media download preferences to manual so files won't resume. Once you've stopped unwanted media, permanently prevent future auto restores by changing media auto download to manual for photos, audio, video documents. You should also clear any partial downloads from the Files app or WhatsApp storage settings to free space. If the restore is stuck or won't cancel, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. During setup, choose the backup and explicitly deselect media, or use a different backup that excludes media. If problems persist, check storage permissions and available free space before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.